Hello and welcome to Crypto Today. In today's video, we'll be discussing the latest buzz around the Arbitrum network, which is gaining momentum in the crypto space. There are rumors of an upcoming airdrop, which has many wondering if Arbitrum could overtake Ethereum as the go-to platform for decentralized applications. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that aims to improve the efficiency and speed of transactions on the network. According to data from Etherscan, Arbitrum processed over 1 million daily transactions on February 14, 2022. This is a significant milestone for the platform, as it means that Arbitrum is now processing more transactions per day than Ethereum. This achievement is a testament to the growing popularity of Layer 2 scaling solutions, as more users turn to these platforms to avoid the high fees and slow transaction times associated with Ethereum. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth content on the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency. In addition to its impressive transaction volume, Arbitrum is also making waves in the crypto community with rumors of an upcoming airdrop. While details about the airdrop are still scarce, many are speculating that it could be a significant catalyst for the platform's growth. Airdrops are a popular marketing tactic used by many blockchain projects to increase awareness and incentivize users to try out their platform. While Ethereum is still the dominant player in the dApp space, Arbitrum's Layer 2 scaling solution is quickly gaining ground. As more developers and users flock to the platform, it's possible that we could see Arbitrum overtake Ethereum as the go-to platform for decentralized applications. In conclusion, Arbitrum is a promising Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that is quickly gaining traction in the crypto space. Its recent growth and rumors of an upcoming airdrop have many speculating that it could overtake Ethereum as the top platform for decentralized applications. Only time will tell if Arbitrum can continue to grow and establish itself as a major player in the dApp ecosystem. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more daily updates on the world of cryptocurrency.